So I first heard about this program in one of my religion classes, and I just said that is like right up my alley to just kind of go and see these church history sites, see where these things happen, and really get to just experience these things the same way that the people involved in them did. Being out and traveling these places, you get to kind of see firsthand how things happen, why they happen, and make connections you would never have made before.
I know that things are hard when you have to consider the extra money that it takes to have an experience like this, or the time, but it is so worth it to come out and to experience these actual spots where the restoration of the gospel took place. It has helped me learn through this experience the power of being on site, and that there's a very special spirit there that you can't get any other way.
For me, experiential learning is best. I took Dr. Menzel's class before my mission. It's really interesting to visit the sites. Certain memories come back to mind when it comes to the DNC and things like that. And for me, it makes it more real.
And you really get to just kind of visualize, people walking here, saying these things, being in the certain country that they were in. It really helps you just let you see how the Lord is working with these people in the scriptures, why He's doing things in a certain way to establish His kingdom. It's really just incredible. I mean, anybody who wants to go on one of these programs should really consider that these study abroad programs, this experiential learning, it's far and away the best way to learn. Especially these programs at BYU, they do a very, very good job. You have world-class professors, people who really know what they're doing. You have an amazing experience. The spirit is amazingly strong. Thus far, my favorite experience has been here on the Smith Farm in the Sacred Grove, being able to just be there for about an hour and a half to ponder the scriptures, think about the magnificence of what happened here with young Joseph in the grove, the opening of this dispensation, and how he's been such a pivotal figure, and how it's a true manifestation of our Father in heaven's and the Savior's love for us.
I think it's not an easy decision to make, to leave Provo at a time when you're supposed to be working and getting ready for the next school year. But as soon as we got out here and we started learning everything that we started learning, I realized that it was so worth it. That I wouldn't have the opportunity to learn these things, but we're doing more than learning, we're experiencing. We get the opportunity to experience what Emma must have felt as she left her beautiful home and family to follow somebody that she'd only been married for a short time. And it's given me the opportunity to be prepared for the next school year and to be prepared for whatever challenges are going to come in life, because I know the examples that I've learned here, and I've been able to experience the feelings that they felt and the power that this restoration has given us.
Being on this trip is really my dream. I've always wanted to come and see the church history sites, but I didn't think that I would ever get the opportunity. And one of the things on my bucket list was to be able to go to the Sacred Grove. I don't know, I just had all these expectations and I was really excited for it, and then I felt really nervous and all this pressure. What if I didn't get the answer that I wanted in the way that I wanted? As we entered the Grove though, I just was overcome with peace. I was able to go to the Sacred Grove and kneel down and pray and ask God really if everything was true, if the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints is true. And I've always known it, but I got my confirmation, and it was like the burning in the bosom, and it was amazing and incredible. And basically this trip has exceeded my expectations. I just hope that I will be able to continue to fill the Spirit every day and continue that throughout my whole life.
Well, as far as fun experiences that we do out here, we spend a lot of time together, and you get really close with people who you're on this trip with. It's really quite incredible how close you can get to people and the things you're able to share, and just the relationships that you build with the people is wonderful and is tons of fun.
Flash mob from Utah. Here we go. A little less conversation, a little more action, please. I'm saying all that ain't gonna bring me satisfaction in me.